Hey, it says cool trains to Montreal. Looks like it got finally a CN freight train heading westbound here at Ile Perrot. And the crossing bells will go off shortly. We're on a Wednesday afternoon at around 6:10 p.m. CSX locomotives and a CN, a group of CN locomotives, and a double stack freight train here at Ile Perrot. May 14th, 2024. I'm also watching for the CP freight train. 133 should be coming soon. Rather odd crossing here on a very oblique angle. About 30 degrees it crosses the train tracks. So this train might be the CSX train that's heading usually to Syracuse, New York, via the bridge at Valleyfeild. Should be 327. Here comes the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. No CP trains yet.